Hey friends, I'm Liliana. Let me introduce you to the most energetic friends you will ever meet, Namkoo Solar. Namkoo is a global high-tech company with 13 years of experience in solar panels and energy storage systems. In simple words, we are the wizards turning sunlight into electricity. From consulting to installations and maintenance, we offer one-stop solutions. Think of us as your energy partners, always at your service. Check out our 10,000 square meter super factory, R&D production logistics all in one. Our batteries and inverter from 1 kW to 5 MW work for both homes and business. With international certifications, quality is guaranteed. The leading solar brands in South China, our product reach more than 100 countries worldwide. Plus, our super friendly after-sale team is always ready to help. Want to know more? Contact Namkoo today and let's make a greener future together.